whispers of warriors old, folk tales written in beads and gold, games of strength, the fields alive, indigenous sports where the brave souls strive, cuisine that tells of the land so deep, flavors the ancestors vowed to keep. Calling their name, from tribal huts to modern grace, tradition walks with time's embrace. Tourists gather from far and wide to watch the spirit of Nagaland glide. Hornbill Festival, our guiding light. So raise the fire, let the night unfold, let the stories be sung ancient and bold. Nagaland's Hornbill forever to be a festival born of identity. With the night